class. Welcome to B plus 11 again. I'm your English teacher Madhulika Devali. Class, now we have to start chapter number 12. The name of the chapter is The King Keeps His Appointment. Now class, this is the last chapter which we have to complete in your course book. After this we will start our workbook and then we have to complete only one chapter in reader book. So watch the video carefully class. After watching the video you have to write word meaning in your copy. And then after the explanation we have to complete who said to whom and question answer of the chapter number 12. So watch the video carefully. This is story of a king and his other minister of his city. Okay class, so watch the video carefully and then complete word meaning. Chapter number 12. The King Keeps His Appointment. It was written by Anthony Hobbes. I was in a deep sleep, means he was sleeping very deeply. Who? Listen carefully. Suddenly I awoke with a start of shiver. My face, hair and clothes dripped water. Means he was totally wet. Opposite me stood Sept, it is the name of a person, and sneering smile on his face and an empty bucket in his hand. Means he was smiling and an empty, and he had an empty bucket in his hand. On the table by him sat Fritz. Pale. Fritz again is a person. Pale as a ghost and with dark bags under the eyes. Means he looked like his face was pale, means पीला पड़ गया था, and he looked like a ghost क्योंकि because of dark bags means उसके आंखें में swelling थी. I leaped to my feet in anger. Means he was very angry. Who? Listen carefully. Your jokes goes too far, sir, I cried. He said it is very bad joke. Tut man, there is no time to argue. Means there is no time to discuss or to be angry. Nothing else would rouse you. It's 5 o'clock. Means we were unable to awake you because now it's a time. It's 5 o'clock. But Colonel Sept, I began again. Hot in spirit, though my body was cold from the water. Means my spirit is hot. Means my feeling is hot. means मैं गुस्से में एकदम hot हूँ, but मेरी body क्या है, cold हो गई. Rudolph interpreted Fritz, getting down from the table and taking my arms. Look here. The king lay on the floor. His face was red and he breathed heavily. Sept disrespectfully kicked him sharply. He did not move. There was not even any break in his breath. I saw that his face and head were wet with water, as were mine. We have spent half an hour trying to wake him, said Fritz. Miss, they said that the king was lying on the floor and he breathed heavily. I knelt down and felt his pulse. It was alarmingly loud, languid and slow. He looked at another. Means और जो किंग थे वो जो ज़मीन पे लेटे हुए थे बहुत तेज़ी से सांसें चल रही थी, पर उनकी जो पल्स थी वो बहुत ही स्लोली चल रही थी. डू यू थिंक ब्लैक मिशेल सर्वेंट गेव अस स्लीपिंग टैबलेट्स? आई विस्पर्ड. आई डोंट नो, सैड सेप्ट, बट आई सस्पेक्टेड सो. मीन्स उन लोगों को किसने, ब्लैक मिशेल के सर्वेंट ने स्लीपिंग टैबलेट दे दिया था किंग को मारने के लिए. must get a doctor. There's none within 10 miles. I know from how he looks that he will be asleep for most of the day. But the coronation I cried in horror. Means coronation means जो राज्याभिषेक होता है, मीन राजा को जब मतलब राजकुमार को जब राजा बनाते हैं तो उसको क्या कहते हैं, कोरोनेशन. Fritz shrugged his shoulders and looked glum. We must send word that he is ill, he said. Means राजा का जो किंग रहता है उसका कोरोनेशन होने वाला रहता है, उसका राज्याभिषेक होने वाला था, बट किसी ने उसको पॉइजन दे दिया था और जिसकी वजह से राजा अभी बेहोश पड़ा था और वो कोरोनेशन के लिए प्रिपेयर नहीं था. सो क्लास, I suppose so, said I. Old Sapt had lit his pipe and was puffing hard at it. If he is not crowned today, said he will guaranteed he is never crowned. Sapt said कि अगर राजा को आज क्राउन नहीं पहनाया गया, अगर वो आज किंग नहीं बन पाया तो वो कभी भी नहीं बन पाएगा. Why not? The whole nation there is to see coronation. So Black Michelle will be ready to step in. We can't send words to say that the king asleep. Means अगर पूरा नेशन खड़ा हुआ है राजा का कोरोनेशन देखने के लिए और अगर किंग नहीं जा पाया तो ब्लैक मिशेल कुछ ना कुछ करेगा और वो खुद किंग की जगह पे अपना कोरोनेशन करवा लेगा. So class, this is enough for today. Tomorrow I will explain the next part of the chapter.